Hey guys, Merry Christmas. What you see here is a 1985 Casablanca Four Seasons. This fan dates to April 17th, 1985. And it was the 430th fan made that day. I got this fan off of eBay from Jeff Doctor, or my mom got it for me as a birthday present since my birthday was yesterday. So here's the fan in all its 85 glory. Nice antique brass with some sort of oak. Very nice floppy flywheel. Not like floppy, but it's like nice and nice and wiggly. So it's not like hard or anything. That's good. So I am running this fan in a W11. It's on a white W11. This is not the original control. It came with this brown, or this like black. Sorry, this black W11. You can see here. It works. It's just I already had a W11 in the wall from the previous fan, so might as well just leave it there. Okay, let's do demo mode. I am not at the control. So. This fan's in really good balance. So there you have it. That's demo mode for you. Now let's do a thorough demonstration. Since there's no light in this fan, I'm allowed to do the light kit sequence, and there is no light kit. Everything you see in this fan is original, down to the switch cap. Hang tube is what it came with. Down routing is what it came with. Blade irons, blade, switch cap, everything what you see is what it came with out of the box. So let's put the fan in speed 1. Here's speed 1. So this is what me and many other collectors love. We like to call it restaurant love speed. Which is where it's like a nice aesthetic low. Tag. Alright, let's do speed 2. This is more of like a functional low. It's a little bit faster than the normal low. Excuse my sitting, I'm getting a medallion soon, so just... That up there is not permanent. And actually, you won't be seeing this phone I'm recording with for much longer. I am actually getting a new phone soon, so I will be making better quality videos. I'm getting an iPhone 11. Either 10 or 11. I'm gonna be, making higher quality, like maybe like 1080p. I'm not right now. I think my videos are like 720p. So I believe my videos are gonna be like 1080p. There's like functional low. Let's do speed 3. This is like I mentioned, this is like a birthday present I got, and it's already blowing a decent amount of air. There's the bottom, I think it's the end bell, I believe, of the K55. Alright, let's do speed 4. There's speed 4. Moving a decent breeze already. This is one of 3 of my antique brass Casablancas. I have a 1984 Zephyr, which I still have yet to film, and I have a parted out Panama, an antique brass from 1985, same year as this fan. And the Zephyr's from 1984. The Zephyr's in Teletouch. Panama's all, so all my, the Panama was an X in Teletouch. I got it from Aiden. He converted it to remote, but that thing was just in horrible shape, so I parted it out. So, yeah. Alright, let's do speed 5. Yeah, speed 5. This is the speed I sleep with it on. I don't like high is just too fast. So it's like a little step lower than high. Still moving a decent breeze though. Alright, let's do speed 6 or high speed. Let's reverse it. That's moving the airport. Alright, so I'm gonna reverse it, then I'm gonna turn it off. So there you have it. That's my 1985 Casablanca Four Seasons. I got from Jeff off of eBay. Merry Christmas. Have a great holiday season. See you later.